Deep knee recharge Yogoda exercises for strengthening the knees. While exercising, quickly squat into a sitting position balanced on the toes, spine erect. Quickly stand up and inhale. Hold breath and gently contract the whole body, then exhale and relax. Repeat 10 times morning and night. From the Wisdom of Paramhansa Yogananda, Volume 6, How to Achieve Glowing Health and Vitality, Paramhansa Yogananda. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale up, tense lightly. Exhale down. Inhale up, tense lightly. Exhale down. Inhaling up, tense lightly, and exhale down. Inhale up, tense lightly, and exhale down. Inhale up, tense lightly, 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 exhale down.